This Fuji Electric frn200f1s-4u is a large horsepower motor control we received for repair from a major vehicle manufacturer. It had the entire front end input stage blown, all the SCRs and the main bus caps were vented. We rebuilt the damaged front end and rebuilt the output stage. We were able to final test this motor control on one of our test motors as shown in the video. We believe this motor control was damaged by a voltage surge, which would account for such catastrophic damage in the front input. We at ERD are quite used to units arriving for repair with such major damage. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.